The topic of the presentation is globalization and the nationalism, whether both the concepts are conflicting or complementary. So, the globalization is the word used to describe the growing interdependence of different nations in order to bring in cultures, traditions, economies, uh, and the border flow of trade and services, technology, investments, people, in order to create a better society in general. No country is said to be completely resourceful or completely independent, and for the purpose, globalization has been introduced in the past few decades back. The uh, concept of globalization brings in different issues such as cultural homogenization, liberalization, global healthcare, international criminal jurisdiction, which is the ICC board, meant for world heinous crimes, sovereignty concept, nation state migrant workers condition in the different countries. Um, the for The concept of globalization has worked uh, positively and negatively in the perspective of developing country. Let's take the case of India. The India has benefited through globalization in the area such as it has gotten many opportunities in trade and businesses, and the international companies have been interested in investing in the human resource of India. But there is also a risk that the globalization might lead to the vanishing of certain cultures and traditions in order to bring people together and make them kind of homogenized. So people are tending to be more uh, like in India, there people are getting more interested towards the Western tradition and but keeping apart certain problems related to the globalization. There are many benefits which are happening to any country in globalization process, such as if a country is in poor economic condition, they are granted loans from World Bank and IMF kind of organizations. There is a setup for international crime where crimes like human genocide occurring on large bases or civil wars between countries are being protected by the International Court of Crime. Also, we can see the Israel Palestinian conflict being interrupted by the ICC and being told that there must be peace rather than destruction. Also, if there wasn't any globalization occurred since now until now, then what if a pandemic like COVID would hit, and how would the countries perform better, at least if we didn't have the global healthcare system? Because of the globalization, the countries were uh, with each other throughout the pandemic, and we were able to supply uh, things in which were in surplus in a particular country to other countries. And lastly, if globalization wouldn't be there, there wouldn't be any cross flow of music and spices or anything that we have today. Thank you.